Made 20 mil, know it's crazy, but this shit true. Big G, whack like dust, shit was Baby Blue. Feeling out, going, might as well been a Gemini. Fuck a bad bitch in the back of the seminar. Walk around real road with it like an Indian. Nigga won't beef, no money, please come again. I don't understand, no bands, nigga, no beef. Nigga, you a clown, I can tell cause I ass cheap. Bro, don't smoking big pounds like a sea reef. Talking real slow cause the carrots in a nigga teeth. I don't give a fuck what he saying. If it ain't guap, nigga hate boat. I ain't even at the top spot. One call, niggas on your head like a dreadlock. Crack through the deadlock, fucking like it's wet lock. Young money, bedrock, bad bitch, freckles on the face like carrot top. Get your head chopped, niggas walk around mad, must be adopted. Opposite of emo, still a hot topic. Cop it, drop it, one night I rocked it. I'm in that Bentley cool, swear like I lost it. I got a check for 2 million, I flossed it. Then take my diamonds off, jumped in the mosh pit. I'm a little set in the hood, I feel safer. I used to fuck 30 bitches at the Mayfair. 10 chocolate hoes and 10 vanilla wafers. 10 unannounced, the mixed breeds going though. Put them on Molly, got these bitches horn. Put them on Molly, got these bitches going. Put them on Molly, get that hard wish she blowing on my phone, asking where I'm going. Ask her trust drugs, she said coke, now the shit snoring, scoring like I'm Jordan. They said where you been, nah, where I'm going. Been in the cut like a bone, but I'm still here. I watch the game, but my vision is still clear. Look in the mirror, my neck, lately near. Ooh, I got a slut, she don't wanna leave. Take care of her fees and she gon' go ham. Make sure she ain't hot like NBA Jam. She can't be on fire. I read about it in the Esquire. That's how you bring down the umpire. Make sure she clean before she get hired. Fuck her from the back, then she get fired. Fuck that, I'm back in this bitch and I'm here to stay. They didn't give me credit for my shit, so I get my credit another way. I'm writing this shit for your favorite rapper. Getting shit going like a street trapper. They found out it's me, that's a knee slapper. Start doubting me, I get shit done. Start doubting me, I'm the jump starter. Raise up the guap like a Kickstarter. I wanna touch on the stallion, I just need a second. I hear from the back, boy, I know it's a blessing. Just made a confession, I didn't mean to do it, but I get into it, I'm really into it. All of the moves that I make, they be lucrative. I will not liquidate. I'm with this black bitch, still like a milkshake. Clap like an earthquake, stop with the rap and just do it for Earth's sake. I'm in my belt like a crawfish plate. Stick to that money, that shit be my soul. Post with the gang on the block at the home base. I'm getting hit, that shit straight like a front face. Eat up the front straight.
Yo, bitch, nigga.